Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you a niche way of searching. I don't know if you're ever gonna need this or not, but how to search in ProjectWise by folder ID instead of just going here and just typing a name or something, but you want something more specific. And also you want something, for example, the application and the file size. For example, let's go here. So you want to search for only the files are AutoCAD and only have this folder ID, or only the file that are actually updated by this person and they have the OpenRose designer in them. So how to make that? This is a niche way of doing it, but if you need it, this is gonna help, because I had to do that one time and I thought let's show people how to do it. Okay, so you come here to this binocular and then you either click on the triangle and you get the two option, or click on the binocular itself and you're gonna get the two option. This one is the easy one, but this one is the one that is more customized and it's niche in what you can do in it. So click on OK. So what I want to do is right now I want to search for a specific folder ID. So if I went here, instead of document, I want it to be a work areas and folder. This just leave it default. So here now I'm going to try to build my conditions for search or criteria. So let's do general properties, and then here I want a folder ID. So if I click the folder ID, I have to type the folder ID, which I have it on the other screen. 13172. And then after you write it, here you have to click on add the criteria. So now we have it here. So let's say you want another criteria. You want shows by the folder name, the parents, the owner, created by, updated by. If you have a coworker that been doing something and you're not trusting them, you can just search by that or whatever it is. You can build it. If I typed here something and then I type the date here, and it will add it here up top. But I don't want to do that. Just gonna leave it as the folder ID, but you can actually make more criteria for your search. So let's just do apply. And then ta-da, because I asked them only a generic thing. Only find me a folder that have that folder ID, which is the 13172. Like I said, you can be more specific if you know the file itself. You want to search for a specific DGN, but you want to search by these. So that's the way of doing it. Okay, hope that help. Yeah, and by the way, I'm gonna put in the description box, I'm gonna put a link from Bentley. They actually go on this and like they go in an advanced way, showing other stuff, unique stuff that you can do with the advanced search. If you want to check it out, it's really good. Okay, well, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.